Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Summer, and sorry I look crazy right now. I just self-tanned last night and I just feel like it's really patchy on my face, so I'm gonna go rinse that off before I make breakfast. So yeah, today I thought I would film an updated what I eat in a day video. I haven't filmed one in probably like a month, and to be honest, I just haven't been like working out and eating like the best. So this is not only gonna show you guys what my favorite foods are, but it's kind of gonna be getting back into a routine. I need to stop ordering on Postmates because it is just so bad. So I need to go grocery shopping today, and I have a bunch of other things to do, so I'm gonna bring you guys along, but I'm gonna make some breakfast really quick and rinse off this self-tanner. I'm gonna make oatmeal really quickly because, like I said, I don't really have that much with me right now. To be honest, in the morning, I switch out between like 3 different meals. So it's either a bowl of oatmeal, a protein smoothie, and since it's been really hot, I've been doing that pretty much every single morning, or some eggs with like avocado toast or something. So those are like my 3 go-tos. I didn't do this last night, but I would usually make like overnight oats in the fridge, and it's nice in the summertime because it's not like a hot bowl of oatmeal. So I should have done that last night though. Oatmeal, you can really add like all these like different toppings on it, make it taste really good, and it's super healthy. But I wanted to show you guys these Sakara chlorophyll drops. I've heard so many things and seen so many things on TikTok recently. I'm sure you guys have too. But pretty much they're just chlorophyll drops. They make your water like really green. So I'm gonna put a few drops in here. I've actually had this and I've seen it all over TikTok, and I was like, well, I have this, I should actually try this out, because a lot of people say that it works and it helps with your gut, and it also helps just keep you hydrated and stuff. So I've been doing this every single morning with a big glass of water. I just made my oatmeal. I added in some of this Protein and Greens protein powder from Garden of Life. This is the vanilla flavor, and this is also vegan. This has been one of my favorite proteins for like over 2 years. It's really amazing. And then I added on some blueberries and a little bit of peanut butter. I have been using this like crazy though. I just ran out, but I wanted to show you guys because this is my favorite almond butter ever. You can get this from just like Whole Foods, but it's the Martha Natha almond butter. This is amazing. I use it every time I make a smoothie, as you guys can tell. I'm gonna eat this for breakfast and then head down to the gym. I wanted to show you guys my workout outfit because it's actually from Target, and I feel like Target right now is killing it with the workout clothes. And these shorts are actually from the kids section. So I saw someone that I follow post like the shorts, and I honestly thought they were from like Aloe or somewhere else, but they're from Target. I got an extra large if you guys are wondering, but I really love them and they're super comfortable. I love wearing shorts like these in like the summertime when it gets like really hot out. And then also I got a little white sports bra. I love getting like neutral ones like these so they match with like all different workout outfits. And then I got my Pumas on, and that's my little workout outfit. Just got down to the gym, not wearing a mask because nobody's in here right now. But I'm gonna be doing this 15-minute toned legs and round booty workout from Mad Fit. I love her workouts. They're really quick and they're also really effective. But I feel like right now I have like no butt, because whenever I go through like stressful situations or anything, I just feel like I shed weight so easily, even without like trying. So I really need to start like building muscle again. So that's why I'm gonna be working out my butt today. And if you guys have any suggestions on how to grow your butt, please let me know, because right now I feel like I have absolutely nothing. I'm gonna be doing this workout first, and then maybe like 10 or 15 minutes on the bike just for like a little bit of cardio.
You wanna be somebody, want us to believe that you're somebody to see, searching for a feeling, and you would give up anything just to show us you had it. All she wanna do is talk fashion, make a couple mil on passion, house on a hill, live lavish, lavish, rolling, rolling, rolling with my.
So I just got out of the shower. shower. You guys are propped up right now on this box, so hopefully it doesn't fall. But I'm gonna blow dry my hair, do a quick little makeup look, and I also quickly wanted to show you guys the deodorant that I've been using recently. It's from the brand Native, and I wanted to thank them for sponsoring today's video. What's really crazy too is that right before they reached out to me, my mom actually recommended me to try this out because she's all about like trying out aluminum-free deodorants and trying to figure out which one is the best one. So I gave it a try like 2.5 months ago, and I've been loving it ever since. And I just love how it's paraben-free, aluminum-free, sulfate-free, vegan and cruelty-free. I feel like a lot of the other deodorants that are aluminum free that I've tried in the past never work for me, and I sweat a lot. And especially right now, since it's like been 90 degrees here in LA, I just feel like I need something that actually deodorizes. This one I feel like also dries very quickly, and it stays on pretty much the entire day. So by the end of the day, after I work out even, I smell fresh still. A lot of the other ones that I've tried in the past like work for an hour, and I also have like this like wet sticky feeling underneath my arms. This one also is by far my favorite scent. It's the eucalyptus and mint, and it smells so fresh. Right after you get out of the shower, this one is like perfect to put on. It also has like eucalyptus leaf oil in it. And then I also have 2 other scents right here. This one is their coconut and vanilla one. This is actually the first one that I've ever tried from them, and it smells exactly what it sounds like. It's coconut and vanilla, and I just think it's the perfect summer scent. And if you're into like men's deodorant, this one I think would be perfect for you. Also, they do have other products that I've been testing out. So I've been using this coconut and vanilla body wash. This is also sulfate free, paraben free, and it smells exactly like the coconut and vanilla deodorant. And then they also have this like detoxifying charcoal toothpaste that I've been testing out too, which has been working amazing. I know this video is all about like health and fitness, and obviously working out and eating healthy is really important, but I feel like also taking a look at the products that you're putting onto your body is also very important. And I just love Native. I love how it's aluminum free, and I've been trying to find an aluminum free deodorant for the longest time that actually works. Highly recommend checking them out. Usually for 3 deodorants, they would be $36, but if you use the link down below and my code Sheekey, you can get 33% off, which makes it $24. So you can stock up on all of their summer scents and have them ready to go. And again, they just work and smell amazing.
Don't hear me crying from your bedside, 'cause you in love with the finer things. Don't hear me crying from your bedside, please. I can't give you the world, but I can't give you my heart. I can't give you the world, but I hope this is a start. You mean the world to me.
Just went grocery shopping, and I also got a smoothie. So I think this one has banana, agave, strawberries, almond milk, and protein powder. So it's like a really simple smoothie, but I wanted something after I worked out. So I'm gonna have this kind of as like a snack, and then I'm gonna make some lunch when I get back. But then I also got a coffee. This is the first time that I'm having a coffee in like over, I don't even know, like 3 months. But I really was just like in the mood for a coffee. I saw someone order it, and I'm like, I need that. I have a lot to do today too, and just like driving all the way to Venice. So I want something to kind of like pick me up. So here's a little overview of what I got. For veggies and stuff like that, I just got broccoli so I can roast it, put it with like some protein, so like salmon or chicken and quinoa. And then I got some shredded carrots to throw on top of a salad, some grape tomatoes to throw on top of a salad too. And I didn't feel like picking up just regular sweet potatoes, so I already got some cut up, so it's really easy just to throw on a pan. I can roast them and throw them with the protein as well. And then I got some living butter lettuce. I like to use this as a wrap for like chicken salad or tuna. Finally got peaches. This is the first time that I'm having peaches, and they're finally in season, so I love eating them every summer. And then I got some celery, red onion, hummus to eat with the celery. So this one is my favorite. It's the Majestic Sprouted Hummus, and this is just so good. Some banana to throw in a smoothie in the morning. Also got some almond butter, the same one that I showed you guys earlier. some Dijon mustard, veganese to use with the tuna fish that I got. I was actually craving a Caesar salad, so I picked up this veggie Caesar dressing, and it says that it's plant-based and it's supposed to help with your gut. I'm really interested to see how this is. For proteins, I got grilled chicken breast, some Beyond Meat burger patties. They have 22 grams of protein in them. Love putting them on top of a salad, or even using these as like kind of like a wrap. Also, I got some hard-boiled eggs. These are really easy just to like throw on top of a salad. You can also just like eat it in the morning with some salt and pepper, and it's just like really convenient. And then I also wanted to try these egg white bites out too. They have spinach and feta, and if I'm running like a little bit late or something, I can just pop these in the microwave. So super easy and really quick. And the last thing I got is some oat milk for smoothies and for my matcha in the morning. I'm probably gonna have like tuna with like these little wraps, and then throw some like hummus and stuff on it. So I'm gonna make that really quick after I put everything away. At my mom's Airbnb. My mom and my aunt are staying here in Venice for an entire month. So we're making dinner really quick. It's actually like almost 9 o'clock at night, but we're making some chicken meatballs and we're having some banza pasta. This is my favorite pasta. It has 22 grams of protein in it and it's just really good. So something quick and easy. Then I have to drive 30 minutes all the way back home. So we're gonna have dinner, hang out a little bit, and then I'm gonna head back home. I just got home. It's currently 11:55, and also I switched you guys over to the G7X, so if the quality is a little bit different, that's why. I actually just got my period tonight, which is really fun. I'm gonna have some of this organic ginger chamomile tea, and I really need something to like help my stomach right now because I am currently not feeling the best. But I also went to the store really quick too to get some dark chocolate. I got this sea salt dark chocolate. It's 70% cacao, and I'm craving chocolate right now. I'm probably gonna be up all night, so I have to edit and do a bunch of different things and just take off my makeup. That's like the best feeling at the end of the night, is just getting all of your makeup off and putting on some comfy clothes. So I've been editing for a little bit, but I'm gonna go to bed. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want me to do more what I eat in a day videos, let me know down below. I'm definitely gonna get back on track and get back into a routine of working out and just eating at home and really just cooking my own meals and stuff. So if you wanna see more of that, then let me know down below. But I hope you guys like this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I love you guys so much. Thank you for sticking around even though I have a lot going on right now, and I can't wait to post more consistently and move into my new place. And all of those videos will be coming very soon. So again, make sure that you guys are subscribed, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.